Hey guys, it's Kimberly and I'm here to share with you my new handbag and my new handbag organization method. As you will see here shortly, my old handbag was a complete disaster. It looked like a bomb had gone off inside of it. I've just had so much going on for these past several months that organizing my handbag was just on the low end of my priority list. But I am determined not to let my handbag get into such a state of disarray again. Enter my lovely Dollar Tree zipper pouches that I bought. I absolutely love them. If you did watch my $100 Dollar Tree haul, you'll see where I purchased the 5 different zipper pouches. They were more like really shiny and iridescent, beautiful. I knew when I purchased those that I was going to use those specifically for this project to get my purse organized. But I realized once I started to kind of plan through how I wanted everything to be in my purse, what kind of items I wanted in there, that I was going to need more. So I actually went back and purchased 5 more of those zipper pouch bags. Well, actually, probably like 9 more of the bags. But the other bags that I did find came 2 for 1. So it was like a larger bag and then a little smaller bag was attached to it. So you got 2 bags for $1. So I couldn't pass that up. And I did end up using, actually I'm gonna have to count here to see, I used quite a bit of the bags in my purse organization. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I really hope you will do so now. Please leave me lots of thumbs up for this video if you'd like to see more videos like this, more organization videos. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, this is absolutely horrible. I don't even know how my purse got to such a state of disarray, but everything you can imagine was stuffed in here. I don't know where all these packets of ketchup and mustard came from. They just magically appeared, I'm sure. Just a mess. I had no organization whatsoever, so I'm so happy to have this all cleaned out. I'm going to throw away a bunch of junk and then show you my new handbag. Okay, so I am now going to carry this Tommy Hilfiger bag, courtesy of my beautiful mother. I absolutely love it. It's very large, more of a tote bag, which is exactly what I need. I have young children. Between them and my husband, everything gets shoved into my bag, or I'm constantly needing something and putting something in there. So this is going to be the perfect size for me. And as you'll see, I'm going to break this up into different pouches that I'm going to use to sub-organize all my items. So let's take a look at all of my pouches and the items that I have in them. So here is the inside of my bag now, and yes, I have all of my beautiful Dollar Tree pouches stacked in here. It's a lot of pouches, but it works for me. It's all of the necessities and things that I need to carry, want to carry. So let's start going through. This is the largest of the pouches that I bought. That's why I got this one. I didn't think it was the absolute cutest, but I needed a bigger one. So in this one, I'm going to keep my wipes. I have cleansing wipes. These are the flushable wipes and just regular wipes, of course, that I got from the Dollar Tree. I also have my hand lotion in here from Bath & Body, which I need to get some more. And my 3 little hand sanitizers that, of course, came from the Dollar Tree. And then a little pack of tissues from the Dollar Tree. This next little pouch is so cute. And in here, I just have my keys. I'm constantly digging for them. It drives me insane. So I wanted them to have their own little compartment. This next pouch I absolutely love. I love all these really shiny ones I have. This is more of like my tech pouch. I have my earbuds for my iPhone and an extra charger as well that I could plug in if I needed to, and then also a portable charger that I am keeping in there. This pouch is so cute with the little circle symbols on it, and in here is just kind of a refresher pouch. I'm keeping a little Amika hair dry shampoo, some floss, if you ever need to freshen up. I always have gum on me. This is a little compact mirror, which I rarely ever use, but I'm sure if I take it out, suddenly I will need it. And finally, I have just a little thing of a sample size of perfume. And the sample perfume and the sample Amika spray is from my Birch boxes. So I usually always have some kind of sample like that on hand. I like to keep that with me. This next vibrant green and yellow pouch is so cute. And in here I just have my sunglasses. Again, that's another item that I usually end up digging around for. I can't find it, so I wanted it to have its own separate container. And then this next little pouch is so adorable. I love it with the little cactus on it. And this, of course, is my feminine products pouch and my little feminine wipes. All of those items in there I did get from the Dollar Tree. This next pouch is my favorite. It's clear pink. It says love on it. It's just adorable. And this one I'm actually using for my kids' items. So I have a pair of my son's little underwear in here. He's 3. He is potty trained, but still in that stage that he could have accidents. And these next 2 items were completely impulse buys. I really had no real rhyme or reason to buy these, but I thought they were so cute. They're little towelettes. You just wet them. And you can use them, not like I don't already have enough wipes in my purse as it is, but I just thought they were really cute. And then I got a couple of dollar toys, a little paper doll kit and a little like pop out coloring kit for my son and for my daughter, just to occupy them in times that we're out somewhere and they're bored out of their mind. This last pouch is a beautiful shimmery blue or teal color, and I just keep my change, my money, and some extra cards that I don't want to keep in my phone wallet tucked away in here. I am loving the zebra print on this pouch. I have some extra little hair ties for my daughter or myself if we're out. I do keep my little nail file, and I've got some extra nail glue. I do my own nails, so if a nail pops off, I can just glue it back on. And then I just threw in some band-aids in there because, of course, with young children, you always need that. And I believe I had bobby pins in the bottom as well. So that is all of my pouches. Yes, it's a lot, but look at them. They are so adorable. This is just a great way to sub-organize your purse. Keep everything in its own place. There's nothing loose rolling around. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video, and please let me know in the comments below what handbag you are currently carrying, your must-haves, the items that you keep inside of it. I'll see you all soon in another video. I hope you have a blessed evening, everyone. Bye. But wait, there's one more. I forgot to show you my adorable little Dollar Tree notebook and precision pens. Did you count how many pouches are in my purse?